Hi, my name's Laura, and I've been bringing my dogs, actually my dogs. We brought Ginger when she was little. She went to another place and she didn't like it. She was scared, and every time she came here, she just felt loved, and we could tell that these are really dog people. So when we got Mojo, we knew exactly where he needed to come, and Ginger didn't need to come every day, but Mojo needs to come every day. He's a brand new baby, not brand new, but he's a rowdy boy, and he needs to go, go, go and play. And every time we bring him, he's greeted, he's loved, he's cared for, and he loves it here. So I would highly recommend you bring your babies here as well.